Okay, manifestation, real talk muna tayo bago ako matulog. So, kahit na mag-visualize ka or kahit na gumamit ka ng mga techniques like affirmations, nagme-meditate ka, yan, nagjo-journaling ka, at lahat na yata, no, bumili ka pa ng mga crystals or bumili ka ng mga courses online. And ginawa mo lahat ng effort na to when it comes to manifestation, and it just doesn't work. Okay, kasi you're actually missing out on something very, very important. Okay, and this is actually based on Neville Goddard. So, if you're new here, my name is Coach Lee and I talk about manifestations. Basically, lahat ng tinuturo ko dito is coming from Neville Goddard and also how it applies to my life. Hindi lahat ng experiences ni Neville Goddard is going to be applicable to me kasi iba't iba tayo. Okay? So, we just, learn from each other. Pero ang pinaka-best talaga dyan ay own experience talaga. So, yun yung sinishare ko dito sa channel ko. And in that way, if it resonates with you, then feel free to like, subscribe, and comment down below kung ano yung nag-click sa'yo dito sa video na to. Okay? So, yun, yung sinabi ko kanina, real talk, kasi pwedeng ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na yun, okay, like you visualize, talagang pinag-aralan mo ano ba yung tamang way ng visualization. And this is actually a trap na ano din ako dati, kumbaga naloko din ako dati ng mga techniques eh. Kumbaga akala ko that's really how manifestation works. Okay, so ngayon ko lang talaga siya naiintindihan. Okay, after 2 years of experiencing life, kumbaga talagang nag-pause ako for a long time na manood ng mga manifestation videos. And actually, kakabalik ko lang ngayon, okay, sa topic na to. And I was busy living my life for the past 1.5 years. Kaya wala rin akong upload. And actually, no, sobrang dami kong natutunan doon sa mga panahon na yun na hindi ako nagko-consume ng content. Okay? Kasi that's where I applied all the learnings sa mga nabasa ko ng libro, napakinggan ko mga YouTuber. And doon ko mas naintindihan kung ano yung sinasabi nila na consciousness, ano yung reality, para saan ba talaga yung mga techniques. Okay, so actually yung techniques okay naman eh. Okay, you can repeat affirmations all day, wala namang problema dyan. Okay, kung naniniwala ka dyan. Actually it helps us. Okay, there are times na kailangan ko talagang mag-affirm sa sarili ko because there's a lot of negative thoughts. Okay, kumbaga para sa akin yung techniques mag-work talaga sa especially okay pag alam mo na talaga yung framework ng manifestation. So, without the framework, it's not gonna be effective for you. Kasi magiging, ano lang yan it's like you're gonna be coming from a place of lack. Okay? Kumbaga, yung parang, kumbaga sa mindset, poor mindset or lack mindset. Diba? Hindi ka galing din sa place of abundance or state. Okay? So, kailangan mong isipin na your reality, okay, is actually coming from the inner world that you have. Ibig sabihin, itong nakikita mo ngayon, okay, itong nakikita mo ngayon na outside reality, okay, yung physical natin, like ako, nakikita mo yung physical reality natin. This reality, yung physical or what we call 3D, three-dimensional, no? These are all coming from our own perception. Okay, so marami na tong basis even scientifically, no, na merong mga ang tawag dito, experiment, yan. You can just search it online na merong isang bagay na pinakita sa kanila, halimbawa ito, di ba? Isang bagay or isang pangyayari na pinakita to different persons or different people at iba yung naging reaction nila. Diba? So, meron dun, pinakitaan siya ng baboy. Diba? Yung iba, ang tingin doon pagkain kasi tayo kumakain tayong baboy. Yung iba naman ang tingin doon Diyos, 'di ba? Kasi Diyos nila yung baboy. So, yung iba naman tingin doon is sa aso. Let's say, yung iba naaawa na pinapatay yung aso, yung iba naman okay lang sa kanila kasi kumakain talaga sila ng aso. And that kind of reality and that kind of reaction and emotion is actually based on you. It's not based on yung sa object na tinitingnan mo. So, doon pa lang, sa example na yun, mapapaisip ka na parang, ano ba yung totoo? 'Di ba? What's the truth? 'Di ba? Ano yung talagang reality? Ibig sabihin, yung good or bad, there's also a bias to it. Kumbaga, nagdedepende siya sa kung sino yung nakakita ng experience na yun. 'Di ba? So, we cannot judge if it's gonna be good or bad. So, the same thing, yung mga nararanasan natin ngayon, it's all gonna be coming from our own perception, our own perception of reality. Kung ano yung basa mo, yung pagkaintindi mo sa nangyari sa'yo. So, for example, kaya nga, madalas naririnig nyo if you're into manifestation for a long time, you always hear the words, circumstances don't matter. Kasi totoo talaga, 'di ba? Na kahit ano yung mangyari on the physical world, it would really depend on how you react, on how you perceive that reality. Papansinin mo ba yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo na hindi mo naman gusto? Hindi naman siya aligned talaga dun sa pinapangarap mong life. So, bakit mo siya bibigyan ng energy? Or bakit mo bibigyan ng pakialam? Ano ba? So, dapat wala kang pakialam sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga aligned dun sa gusto mo. No? So, the reason why techniques will not work, if you don't have that framework, that identity, kasi nga, you will be chasing, trying to become or trying to get something. So, halimbawa, nag-visualize ka, gusto mo ng pera, gusto mo maging mayaman. And nakita mo tong YouTube video na to, magsabi ka lang daw ng 10 affirmations. I am wealthy, I am rich. Diba? Ginawa mo naman. Tapos nakakita ka ulit ng video, visualize mo daw na nagbibilang ka ng pera. And all. Ginawa mo din naman. Okay. Pero hindi mo naman naiintindihan why you're doing those things. Tanungin kita, bakit mo ginagawa yung mga techniques na yun? It's for what? Diba? Those techniques, okay, help you. They are tools. Okay, hindi sila magic formula. Okay, na tipong pag ginawa mo tong mga technique na to, immediately you will get your manifestation or you will change your reality. No. It helps you, okay, pero kailangan naintindihan mo talaga that your reality is really based on who you are. It's really based on what you believe is true for you. For example, meron kang belief system na bobo ka. Diba? Na mahina yung pag-intindi mo. Alam mo kahit anong gawin or kahit anong sabihin ng ibang tao sa'yo. If you have that belief, tapos hindi ka talaga nag-decide na magbago ka ng identity into someone smart or madiskarte, di ba? Hindi mo binabago yung identity mo na yun, na parang loser mindset ka or victim mindset ka. Kahit anong techniques yung gawin mo, kahit na perfect mo pa yung visualization mo, di ba? Kahit at that time na nag-visualize ka, feel mo, okay, yung living in the end or yung moment na yun, it's not gonna work for you. Kasi after nung time na visualization na yun or nag-meditate ka, after that, you will go back to your old programming na yun pa din yung pagkakakilala mo sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Na, nako, hindi naman ako talaga magiging successful or hindi ko naman talaga kayang mag-1,000,000 kada buwan. That's impossible for me. Oh. Kung may ganyan kang belief ngayon, 'di ba, na nakaka-relate ka, na pag pinakinggan mo yung 1,000,000 per month, it seems really impossible for you now. Nope. There's no way. Alam mo, hindi mo talaga makukuha siya. Yeah. Never mo siya makukuha. Pag hindi mo pinagbigyan yung thoughts na yon, yung identity na yon, pag hindi mo siya winelcome sa sarili mo, sa belief system mo, sa subconscious mind mo, pag hindi mo binigyan ng space yan, yung idea na yan, it will never happen. Okay? And, for me, no, ano yung natutulong ng meditation? Una, I would really suggest talaga meditation. No? Kasi ang meditation, ganito yan. It's your connection with your inner self. Paano mo